Welcome back to Overheat, 2026 Rolls Royce Motorhome. External, the silhouette of this motorhome is easily identifiable as a Rolls Royce, although it is longer and higher. The front is dominated by the tall, polished stainless steel Pantheon grille, which is flanked by svelte, adaptable LED headlamps that produce intense, focused light. Expansive views are provided by large windows with unique privacy glass. Large, polished multi-spoke alloy wheels support its weight. Wide-opening rear-hinged doors lead to the cabin. Interior features include massage and heated, cooled driver and front passenger chairs, holographic digital displays, and intuitive controls. A large living space in the middle is equipped with specially designed leather or silk couches. Kitchen features include an integrated refrigerator freezer, convection oven, induction cooktop, and built-in coffee maker. A master bedroom including a king-size bed that can be adjusted, and a specially made mattress for optimal comfort. Smooth, effortless acceleration is guaranteed by Rolls-Royce's 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, which is engineered to provide a ton of power and torque at low revs. For even more efficiency and a smaller carbon impact, a mild hybrid system or even a fully integrated plug-in hybrid alternative might be available. In order to meet all of its electrical requirements, it will also have a self-contained electric drivetrain, potentially equipped with a large-capacity lithium-ion battery, and svelte integrated solar panels, user-friendly interface that may be operated with a smartphone app, voice commands, or a touch screen. Manage the blinds, entertainment, lighting, temperature, and even the status of the car. Connectivity features include a personal communication system, high-speed satellite Wi-Fi, and complete smart device integration. Bespoke Audio System, an expensive sound system with discreetly integrated speakers made especially for cabin acoustics, possibly from companies like Naim or Lexicon. Advanced security system that includes motion sensors, 360-degree surveillance cameras, and alarms.